All right, guys, so far so good. Now we have added our gallery from the Instagram. Now let's say that before making further adjustments, I want to make this background white. I don't want this particular background to follow through all of the image. So what we can do here, either we can make the changes in the background, or what we can simply do is we can change the footer design, and we can click on fill color and opacity and just increase this to full. So this will make the background white or whatever color you have chosen, for example black or whatever. And you can also make it little visible, just like that. It depends on what opacity do you select. So for example here I want to make it completely white, so this is how you do it. And let's say if you want to make changes to the page background, let's click on site design and click on page background, and let's go to settings. As you can see that this is no more visible. We had mountains in earlier list like that, so it's not showing anywhere here. So let's adjust that. Let's click settings, let's click fit, and let's click top or anywhere just like that. And let's add a parallax effect to see how it looks. Let's close out of here and let's just make sure that everything is good and selected. Now guys, it's all about using your creativity when working on the website or designing something. So let me just close out of here, click on preview, and this is how it looks now. Much better. So back to editor. If it looks too simple, you can just make the changes again. Just change on the footer and fill the opacity. Let's see this. And now it shows something like this. So for example, I want to make these changes right here. And if you want to make this one also with the widget background, if let's say I want to make this one like this, just make the opacity to 1% so that you can not see the borders around that. You can make all of these changes. You can add shadows just like that. And this is how it looks now. Now I'm not gonna spend much time here because you got the point. This is how you can make all of these customizations right here. Similarly here, let's say I want to make this one transparent as well, a little bit, just like that. So you can do and manage all of these stuff like that. So with these little corrections, just try this by yourself.